Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What you're about to watch is a video that I did with the intention of flying the plane and then start to disassemble the plane. I didn't intend to crash it. I did 2 circuits. What you're going to see, you're going to watch my flight of the Ec-1500 that a friend of ours gave to me to repair. I repaired it. Ended up flying it. I had a lot of successful flights with it, and it was a great plane. But you're gonna watch the video now of its final flight. So we always affectionately called it the pig because it's a cargo plane. They fly like pigs, they just weren't meant to fly. I don't know why E-Flight decided to build a cargo plane, but whatever, So, yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Then you'll hear my commentary afterwards. So watch all the way to the end. All right. Take it off. Yeah, that's windy. Oh, well. Together. So as you see, the nose got lopped off. What happened was, as I was banking, I banked it a little too hard, and I had banked that plane before hard, like almost like that. And I guess what happened was, is since there was so much wind blowing at the same time, the plane just tilted more so. I was getting ready to actually come in for a landing, and then that's it, cut it quits. But the plane, I guess, me banking it really hard and with the wind blowing at the same time, it just turned it into a corkscrew, and I just let go. I said, well, you know what, it's gonna crash. And that's when it went into the ground. Nose broke off, and yeah, it's just no way to really fix it, because I guess the other crash that it had before, the nose broke off also, and the wing snapped off. So I was able to fix it the first time, but once you have a crash like that again the second time, that's the end of it. Plus, we got another aircraft. Another club donated one that has new props and it was just a much newer aircraft, so most of that stuff will go on that other aircraft. And again, we'll start flying Parasite. So as you can see there, you see what's left of the aircraft. There's really not much left. The wings are right there. There's another wing. So I'm disassembling it, taking all the parts off of it, and I'm gonna build another twin in its memory, and it'll go into, the parts of it will go into another airplane. For sure, it will go into another twin. So I already have another twin that I'm thinking of building. It's one of two thought processes of a twin. Either a Ford tri-motor, where the motor in front will not be working, or a twin pusher, which I have the plans for. I also have the plans for the tri-motor, but it's a bigger plane. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do it. I don't know. I'm kind of hesitant to build a Ford tri-motor as big as this one is, all because it requires a lot of room, and I would need a trailer to haul it to the field, or build it in 4 parts. At this moment in time, I may not build it. The other twin I am definitely going to build, and I'm definitely going to use the motors that I have. So stay tuned to this very channel to see that happen. Talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.